welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. Random mystery unboxing from Alphalete. So if you guys watched my last video, I told you that I had 2 packages from Alphalete that came here while I was out of town, and I don't know what's in either. And I haven't opened them yet. So I have 2 try-ons to do. We have today's mystery unboxing, and then we'll have another one a little bit later on this week. So let's open this right on up and see what we have in here. I did not order this, so I don't know what's in here. Pop that out. I kept it on that side because my address is on it, so I obviously didn't want to put my address out there. But here is the goodies from today. So let's go ahead and read off what we will be trying on today. Women's Aspire Signature Tank in blue and an extra small. We have the Women's Aspire Signature Tank in the color Sage and an extra small. Aspire Signature long sleeve tie top. And what's the tank? In the color white and an extra small. There's a lot of top. And then we have the Women's Aspire Signature Long Sleeve Tie Top in the color red. I have the Men's Velocity SST in the color white and a medium. Kind of threw me off. And then I have this. It kind of slipped out. A little bit. So it is the Women's Infinity Explorer Jacket in the color tan in the size small. So today it looks like we have a full top haul, and if this is what I think it is, I'm so excited. So I don't know if it's the jacket I'm thinking of, but I hope it is. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try everything on. Also, just on one quick note, I do have an Alphalete code if you want to use it. If you get anything from Alphalete, my code is Bunny, just BUNNY. There will be the code down in the description box as well. If you guys want to like use it, I just thought I'd tell you. So I have my Ninja Turtle pajama bottoms on. Let's just go ahead and get that out of the way just in case you guys see them. Here's the Aspire long sleeve in the color red, and I like it. It's a really pretty like red. It's definitely a darker, like deeper red as opposed to like a super bright red. And it has the Alphalete and like the rubber writing, which I really like. I have this shirt in, oh my god, I think like black, purple, blue. I think 2 different shades of blue. I have it in a few different colors, but this red is really, really pretty. And it fits really nicely. I am wearing a bra with it, but it fits really nice and it looks super cute. That's kind of where it like sits, but you can basically tie it like as tight as you want or as loose as you want. I usually keep mine pretty loose, so I'll just kind of do like a little knot like that. So it's kind of longer. And yeah, this is the color red. I just put on the long sleeve Aspire Signature crop in the color white, and it has like the black Alphalete. There's nothing scarier than putting white with a full face of makeup on. Oh my god, I was like, huh. But this is gonna sound weird. This feels a little bit thicker than this one. I don't know why. The white feels like a little bit thicker. Like even when I just took it out of the package, it feels a little bit different, like a little bit thicker. But this is what it looks like. Ooh. It is super cute. I really like the black and white. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up. The only thing about the white is I can tell you is if you wear it outside of the gym, like with a bra like I am, you can kind of see my cleavage. It's a little sheer. So if you have like a sports bra on, obviously you probably won't have that issue. But also if you have a sports bra on, it might show through the color. So if you're wearing like a bright red sports bra or like a blue sports bra, it might kind of show through a little bit. You can really see like this little striping down, which I really like. But if you have a white sports bra or even like a nude sports bra, this would be like perfect. It would. Now I have on the Aspire Signature tank top in the color Sage and an extra small, which is like a razor back. So there's the back of it with like a razor back sports bra. It'll, I think, fit really well. Definitely on a looser fit for sure. It's not like super form-fitting or anything like that. It does have the Alphalete in the Sage color as well. And then this is what it looks like from the bottom bit. It's, like I said, it's definitely on the like looser for the tummy part. This is kind of where the tank top sits in the like chest area for me. So, you know, you're gonna see a little bit of your sports bra through this. Well, at least for me, I'm like really small. So maybe it's just cause my like torso's smaller or shorter, but that's kind of where it sits on me. So I really like this color though. It's definitely like a really pretty sage green. I love this. Now we have the same tank top in the color blue. It's just blue, which I think this might be showing up the sage for me. I really like the sage, but this is almost, I feel like this would go perfect with the French blue color of like the Revival or any French blue leggings that Alphalete has. This is such a nice blue. It's not too dark or too light, and it does say Alphalete, and this is where it kind of hangs for me as well. So I get a lot of like good stomach like coverage. This is my arms all the way up. So as you can see, it's gonna be like, it's not gonna show your stomach. If you wanted to, you could probably like crop it up and like tie it up if you wanted it to be like shorter. But this is like a super comfortable tank top. It almost reminds me of like a bedtime tank top, if that makes sense, where it's just like really soft and comfy and you could just like chill out and relax in it. This is like one of my favorite colors. I just said that sage was one of my favorite colors, but this color is just like different. I feel like there's not a lot of like this kind of color out there where it's like an in between. I don't know, it's just like a medium blue. I don't know, I love it. Okay, wait. I don't have a shirt on, but I just took this out of the bag and I didn't even unfold it yet, but like, this feels like a jersey. Hold on. I wanted to give you my first impression. This is crazy. Oh my God, okay, so wait. This is the men's Velocity shirt in the size medium, so it's gonna be big on me, but let me show you something. This is so weird in like the best way possible. It's like really crazy. So the front is like normal fabric. Well, not normal fabric, but it's like, you know, like a normal shirt. And then the back, it's like a mesh kind of. Can you see that? Like, look at that. Boom, that is the back. That is so cool. Yeah, I think it's called like a mesh, right? I think, yeah, it's like a mesh. Like a fishnet kind of. Well, a little bit different. But it literally is giving me like football or like soccer like jersey vibes. So this is where the medium comes to on me, like all the way down. So it's definitely a little bit big, but this would be perfect for like a shirt dress, I think, for me. And you could definitely like crop it up, like tie it up like that. One thing about the Alphalete men's shirts that I really like is there's like a good hang time in the front and in the back for like tall guys. I think is really awesome. My fiance is tall, he's like 6 foot, and he has a pretty long torso, so like shirts for him always shrink upwards. And so I know like the Alphalete shirts for him have like the good, rude, okay, so they have a good hang time in the back for him. So like when he bends over and stuff like that, his back doesn't come out, you know. If I have anybody who has like a tall boyfriend or like fiance, you probably know what I'm talking about. So anyways, this has a really good hang time in the front and the back for sure. Like look at where it comes here on like the sides, and then it dips down, so it gives them like a little hang time. So I really want to try on this jacket. I want to see this jacket because I don't know if this is even the jacket I was thinking of, and I think it is. It is. It's like that, you know, that material. This color tan is like really nice. It's almost like a gold. It's literally, it's like super like metallic-y too, so it almost looks like gold. Oh, there's like this little, so you could tighten it. Oh wait, it's for the hood. I'm over here just playing with stuff. So you could tighten the hood. Why do I blend in with my background? I really like that feature because I always do that with my hoodies when it rains, but they never stay, so like usually I'll tie it, but it still like cuts back. And anyway, so I really like that feature for here. It's double layered. The hardware on Alphalete stuff is always nice, like the zippers and the zips and stuff are always nice. It says Alphalete right there, and it's actually not like the rubber stuff. It's like, I don't know if it's pressed in there or like a sticker, but it's not the rubber. I thought it was gonna be rubber, but it's not. Okay, so this is where it comes down to. Oh, it has some hang time. Look at it. The sleeves are fitted, which is like nice. That way you don't have to like, let me put the hood on. Okay, the hood's cute. This might be my new favorite jacket. Oh wait, the pockets have zips and they're actually pretty deep. I love this jacket. Oh, this is everything I was hoping it would be when I seen it, and I really wanted it on the Instagram. I was like, oh, I want that jacket so bad. It's so cute. This is a size like bigger for me, so if you size up in it, you'll definitely still be able to wear it and it'll be really comfortable and still super flattering. So this Explorer jacket is by far my favorite thing from today's try on. I love it so much. I don't know how much it is off the top of my head. Oh my god, I was wrong. You can cinch the waist. Time out. Hold on. Oh my goodness. You can cinch the waist. Oh, okay. I didn't really think this jacket could get better, but low-key, high-key, it got way better. This is freaking such a dope jacket. I literally love this jacket. Oh my god, if you're looking for like a light jacket that will still keep you warm, but it's not super like heavy, like a normal winter coat or like fall coat, this would literally be perfect for fall. So that's gonna be everything today, but I do have a part 2 to the mystery Alphalete unboxing coming up sometime later this week. So I'll be recording that probably like tomorrow or the next day and then editing it and getting it all up for you guys. So I hope you enjoy these videos. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next, I'm pretty sure I just cracked my neck. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.